comfy? Mm-hmm. I'm comfy. Are you comfy? Mm-hmm. Good. Yeah. My whole body is sore. So I really do just want to stay like this all night. Yeah. You feel really warm. I've been waiting for this all day, you know. Hey, my feet are killing me. Seriously. I'm not like you. I don't hike like every second weekend, okay? Come on. I'm not lazy. Everything is just so far away in Australia. You wouldn't understand. You need to go by car or public transport, and public transport only if you're close enough to it, or there's no delays or cancellations or any bullshit like that. It happens more than you think. Yeah. Some parts do sort of remind me of home, actually. But mostly it's all very new. All these experiences here with you. Like, it's actually really special. Did you ever think we would be here, cuddled like this? Oh, you did? Well, yeah, I know you told me you'd pay for my flights, but there was no way I was letting you do that. Hey, would you have come to see me in Australia if I didn't get the time off to come here? You're so cheesy, you know that? Oh, you feel like cheese now? Well, that's just too bad. Duh, we're in bed and I'm not letting you go. You want to know my thoughts on today? The beach we visited is so different to ours. Well, at least the ones I've been to. Australia's got so many beaches that if you went to a new one every single day, it'd take you over 27 years to see them all. It's pretty crazy, right? Yeah, of course. I'd take you to my favourite one first. There There's so much sand. It gets everywhere. No, babes, like literally everywhere. The waves are really rough too. And you can't float well like you can here. And depending on the area, if it's crowded and popular, you can bet your boots there will be beady-eyed seagulls ready and waiting to steal your chippies. Well, I can't really remember chips, but I was once eating a falafel roll, right? I blink and one swoops down and steals the bloody piece right out of there. I'd rather go up against a magpie, to be honest. They get all this hate, but they're just trying to protect their babies. And then here are seagulls pretending to be chill, but they're really cunning, and their shrill cries could burst your eardrums. You like all these facts, huh? Yeah. Yeah, you know how I like birds, and I have lots of facts about birds, so how about a bird fact? Well, did you know? Of course. Anyways, well, Australia is home to over 200 species of seabirds. That's the highest number in the world. Yeah, I guess that's what happens when you're an island with 27 years worth of beaches. Have I ever been swooped by a magpie? What do you reckon? I have, but it was a very, very long time ago. I was riding my bike, so thankfully I had a helmet on. I was probably around 6 or 7. Don't worry, I'd protect you. Or maybe I'd just hold your hand and run like hell with you. Oh, jeez, everything is not out to kill you, I swear. Maybe just some spiders, snakes, jellyfish, sharks, crocodiles. I'm not really making a great case here, am I? Yeah. No, I'm kidding. In reality, the average Aussie is more likely to be injured by a horse, cow or dog than any of these other scary creatures, you know? seriously, we just get a bad rep. It's just very exaggerated. Maybe it's more rural, to be honest with you. If you come to the city, you'll be fine. It doesn't seem so scary now, right? Hey, I can be pretty scary myself. But you're right. I'm definitely not one of those hardy outback chicks. So you'll still have to help me with any spiders bigger than my palm, okay? Good. One time there was a huntsman in my car visor and I almost had a heart attack. It was less than like 20 centimeters away from my face. It was not tiny. It was freaking massive. Makes me think about how, for some reason, Australians have this thing about giant roadside attractions. Well, there's the big banana, the big pineapple, the big prawn. Yeah, we like things absurdly big. But the biggest thing to me right now is you, in my arms, where you belong. I'm not going red. Stop calling me tomato face. No. Baby. You're impossibly witty. So freaking naughty. No, I don't wanna. I don't want to tell you some other random facts. You're just gonna keep on laughing at me. You're a meanie. You're a big meanie. You love it when I talk nerdy to you while learning about me too. Well, when you put it like that. Okay, but like what? My brain isn't braining. You have to give me specifics, baby, you know this. Birdies again? Okay, well, you know I can't resist that. I would always want to look up what this bird was, right? And now I know the name. It's the Pacific quail, and it's a large species of parasitic cuckoo, which migrates to northern and eastern Australia to breed. It's also called the eastern quail sometimes, most likely more common, I guess. I know this because it's the most annoying bird in Australia. Yes, even above those minor birds. To me, anyway. The amount of mornings I'd wake up to their cooey, ooey, ooey, and not be able to get back to sleep. Too many damn mornings, I'm telling you, baby. Parasitic as in a bird that lays its eggs in the nest of other birdies, relying on the unsuspecting foster parents to incubate, feed, and bring up its babies. And when the little shit hatches, because they usually hatch first, it pushes out the other eggs and any other chicks out of the nest. And I know it's nature, but it's still kind of ruthless. You're right. Why did I pick such a sad bird fact? You should give me some kisses so I forget about it. Please. Please, baby. Don't you dare start tickling me. Stop. Baby, please stop. No. Not there. True. I'm only thinking about one thing right now. I'm thinking about straddling you and forcing your arms above your head like this. What are you gonna do now, baby? Oh, shit. I can feel you. I bet you. I bet you. I bet you could be nicknamed the big trouser snake. I love you.